Hi guys, this is your science lesson for Monday, April 27th, 2020. So I'm going to walk you through the Google Slides and then you will have to go in and do the assignment through your Google. So this is for fact and opinion, and if you need to access any other languages, feel free to go into the Google slide and you can access the directions in other languages. There is an anchor chart here that talks about fact and opinion, but I am going to go ahead and do an anchor chart with you instead because I think it will be a little more meaningful, just like in class if we're making it as together as we can. So first, for day one, we are going to watch a fact and opinion video. And you may be wondering, well, what do facts and opinions have to do with science? Well, scientists, when they're doing research or they're reading up on a topic, they need to be able to pull out the facts from the readings that they're doing. So the things that are proven true, because scientists don't do work based on their opinions and how they feel or what they believe, but instead they talk about the facts, the things that can be proven that they are finding. So let's take a minute to watch the video.
Fact and opinion. What is a fact? A fact is something that is always true. Facts can be proven. We can find facts by doing research in books, on the internet, or we could even do research of our own.
So facts can be proven, right? So if you look here on the fact side, you see that it's a statement that can be proven to be true, and we're going to see an example of that coming up.
Here's an example of a fact. Dogs need food and water to survive. This is always true.
So this is true, that dogs need food and water to survive, right? That is something that can be proven true. So I'm going to write that up here as a fact. So dogs need food and water. I'm just switching it up here. I'm going to write water first. Water and food to, and instead of survive, I'm going to write to live. Okay? So dogs need water and food to live or to survive. That is a fact. That's absolutely true. If they don't have food and water, they will not live. They will not survive, right?
You could find this information in a book or on the internet. What is an opinion? An opinion is what you think or feel. It cannot be proven.
So facts can be proven. Opinions are someone's thoughts or their feelings.
Here's an example of an opinion. Dogs are the best pets. That's what I think.
So an opinion is that dogs are the best pets. That's an opinion that I disagree with. I don't have the same opinion. In my opinion, I think cats are the best. So I'm going to write my opinion up here. So opinion is a statement that describes how someone feels. So I feel that cats are the best pets. Okay? And a good word to look for when someone's giving an opinion is using the word like best, right? This word here kind of tells how which animal I think is the best. But you may think that dogs are the best pets, or another animal are the best pets.
I love dogs. That's how I feel. But these are just my opinions because someone could say, no way, cats are the best pets. Let's see what you learned. Fact or opinion? The sun is hot.
So take a minute to think about that. The sun is hot. If that's something that can be proven to be true, then it is a fact. If it cannot be proven true and you think it's the way someone feels, it's an opinion. So take a minute to think about what you think. The sun is hot.
You're right, it's a fact. This can be proven. We can prove it by doing research in a book or on the internet. Fact or opinion? Coffee is delicious.
So fact or opinion? Coffee is delicious. Is that something that can be proven true, or do you think that's how someone just feels about coffee?
You're right, that's an opinion, because someone could say, ew, coffee isn't delicious. Fact or opinion? An apple is a fruit.
Fact or opinion? An apple is a fruit. Can that be proven true, or is that how someone feels?
You're right, it's a fact. An apple is a fruit. That is always true. So remember, if you're trying to figure out whether something is a fact or not, you can ask yourself, is it always true? Can it be proven? And if the answer is yes, then you found a fact.
Let's go back here for a minute.
Is a fruit. That is always.
How could you change this into an opinion? So an apple is a fruit. That's absolutely a fact, right? And I'm going to write that up here too. Okay, so that's going to be in blue. I'm writing my facts in blue. So an apple is a fruit. Okay, an apple is a fruit. How could I change that into an opinion? How could I make something about an apple be an opinion? So think about the kind of fruits that you like to eat. Okay, what is your favorite fruit? Is it an apple? Is it a banana? What is it? So I could change this. An apple's a fruit. Absolutely, that's a fact. It is. But I could change it and I could make an opinion saying an apple is the best fruit, or an apple is the most delicious fruit, right? So I could say an apple is the best fruit. Okay? That's my opinion. That's how I feel. But you may feel differently. So let's go back here. Now, when you get into your Google Slides, you're going to go to slide 5. Okay, slide 5. And you're going to see instructions. I have put little audio samples in there so that if you don't have someone to read it to you right now, I can read it to you. So when you get in here and click on this, you're going to see it says click on the speaker button to read the statement in the colored boxes. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this up. So that you can see it bigger. There we go. Okay, so this is slide 5. Here's the numbers over here on the side. Slide 5. Okay. So it says click on the speaker button to read each statement in the colored boxes. Decide if it's a fact or an opinion and drag it to the correct column. So I've done an example for you. So here's your facts. This is a T-chart, just like the anchor chart we're making, and these are your opinions. So here is an example. An example of a fact is there are 5 senses. Okay, so that is a fact. So I have that box here. An example of an opinion. Oops. So you hit that, see how I click on it and it brings this up, and then I'm going to click that little play button right there. An example of an opinion is smell is the best scent. Okay, so there's that word best. So when you do this, you're going to go with the yellow box. If you're not sure what it says on your own, you can hover over it like this. When I feel ice, it is cold. So when you think about when you touch ice, is it cold? Yes, right? Ice is always cold. That's a fact. So you would then just take this box and you would move it in here, okay? And it's okay if they overlap a little bit. Like, that's totally fine, okay? So let me move that back for you. All right, so this is your assignment for science for Monday, April 27th. For you to complete. And as always, feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. All right? I'll see you later.